Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematical Science. In this lecture we are going to see topic complex integral. Okay, first of all see the definition. Complex integral. In easier way I would like to illustrate. Suppose f of z is equal to u plus iv be given complex function where z is equal to x plus iy. Okay. As usual, this is the complex number or complex variable, and hence we can differentiate it as dz is equal to dx plus I dy. Okay, this is the derivative of complex number. Now, line integral of f of z over a curve C is denoted by integral over C f of z dz. But this is nothing but integral over C. F of z is u plus iv and dz is dx plus I dy. So just we have to multiply. So this is nothing but u dx plus iv dx plus I u dy minus p dy minus because here it is I square, hence I square is minus 1, so that I have written here minus this I square is equal to minus 1 is equal to integral over c u dx minus p dy plus I integral over c v dx plus u dy. Okay, integral in the LHS is converted into two real integrals. Now let us see the problem. So let me take one solved problem. Evaluate the complex integral. We can also say that evaluate the line integral of f of z is equal to 1 upon z along the circle modulus z is equal to capital R, starting and finishing at z is equal to R. Okay. In solution, since here z is equal to x plus iy, so z of t becomes x of t plus I y of t, but x of t is nothing but r cos t. This is polar form of equations. Y of t is nothing but r sin t. Okay, this is the polar form, this is the Cartesian form. Okay, so this is the polar form of equation. So z of t is equal to r cos t plus I r sin t, where t lies between 0 and 2 pi, because we are starting the integral circle from 0 to here it is pi by 2, here it is pi, here it is 3 pi by 2, and here it is again 2 pi. So this is a closed counter and we are starting from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, Now dx by dt, as x is equal to capital R cos t, dx by dt equal to r minus r sin t, because derivative of cos t is minus sin t, hence I have written here minus r sin t. Y equal to r sin t implies dy by dt equal to r cos t, because derivative of cos t sin t is written here, derivative of cos t is written here. So we have f of z is equal to 1 upon z. Given thing is that f of z is equal to 1 upon z, which is equal to 1 upon x plus iy. Okay, so by rationalization, what can I do here? F of z equal to 1 upon x plus iy into x minus iy divided by x minus iy. So multiplying and dividing the same thing to this expression. Okay, so let us write the next thing is equal to x minus iy divided by x square x plus iy into x minus iy. We know that, what we know, a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Therefore this can be written as x minus iy divided by x square minus iy square is equal to x minus iy divided by x square minus I square y square, and is nothing but x minus iy divided by x square plus y square, since I square is equal to minus 1. Okay, therefore f of z is equal to u plus iv and is equal to 1 upon z is nothing but x minus iy divided by x square plus y square, or we can write it as x divided by x square plus y square minus I times y divided by x square plus y square. Okay, so comparing these two underlined quantities, we get u is equal to x divided by x square plus y square, and v is equal to minus y upon x square plus y square. Therefore u is equal to x. What is x? X is equal to r cos theta divided by, so since x is equal to r cos theta, t, here it is t, y equal to r sin t, then x square plus y square is equal to r square cos square t plus r square sin square t, hence it is r square sin square t plus cos square t, and we know that this is 1. So x square plus y square becomes r square, this is r square, and v is equal to minus r sin t divided by r square. Therefore u equal to cos t by r and v equal to minus sin t by r. Okay, so let us move towards next step. What is our integral? Integral of 1 upon z dz over c is equal to, what is that? Integral over c u dx minus v dy plus integral over c I into integral over c v dx plus u dy. We have to put the values of u and v dx and dy here. Our integral is reduces to 0 to 2 pi. U is nothing but cos t upon r, and here it is dx. So dx is nothing but, as x is equal to r cos t, then dx is equal to minus r sin t dt. So it is minus r sin t dt minus, what is v? V is here minus sin t upon r into dy. Dy is y is equal to here r sin t, then dy is equal to r cos t dt. Therefore it is r cos t dt. Next, now v dx, v is nothing but minus r sin t, minus sin t divided by r. So this is v. Dx is nothing but minus r sin t dt plus u is nothing but cos t by r into dy. Dy is r cos t dt. This is equal to, now I would like to cancel this r with this r, hence these are cancelled. So in the third, this one is also cancelled. So integral 0 to 2 pi along with minus sign minus sin t cos t dt plus I into integral 0 to 2 pi minus into minus plus sin square t plus cos square t dt. Now just we are moving to finish, is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi minus sign I have taken it outside. We know that sin 2t is equal to 2 sin t cos t. Hence sin 2t by 2 equal to sin t into cos t. ठीक है? Therefore this is nothing but minus sin 2t by 2 dt plus I times integral 0 to 2 pi 1 dt. Since sin square t plus cos square t is equal to 1. Therefore minus 1 upon 2. What is integration of sin 2t? Minus cos 2t divided by 2 limits from 0 to 2 pi plus I into t limits from 0 to 2 pi. Now this is equal to minus 1 upon 2 in bracket minus cos 2 times 2 pi upon 2 minus plus cos 2 times 0 by 2 plus I into 2 pi minus 0 is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So this is minus cos 4 pi. So it is minus 1 by 2 plus cos 0 is 1 upon 2 plus 2 pi I, that is equal to minus 1 upon 2 into 0 because minus 1 plus 1 0 plus 2 pi I. Okay. Hence integral over c 1 upon z dz equal to 2 pi I. This is the required result. If you like this video and content inside it, then please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.